Earn $10,000 a month. Hire virtual assistance companies. Large organizations, professionals, industries all unite here with their best foot in front, so that businesses can have better work experience, enhanced security, and privacy. Review your custom requirements from companies before contacting them directly by the industry's top and best virtual assistance companies. Simple 2-step in 5 minutes can earn you $10,000 in a month. So, if you are not aware of who and what is VA or a virtual assistant company and why would you need that, here are 8 reasons why you should always have a virtual assistant to support you. Also, we would explain how you can earn $10,000 in a month. 1. No more hiring for separate talent. The beauty of hiring talents is, you don't need to hire separate talents for customer support, website maintenance, social media maintenance, online marketing, lead generation, cold calling. Personal assistance for clients follow-up, CRM management, as your dedicated virtual assistant will do all of them. 2. No training needed. Virtual assistants have been helping entrepreneurs, real estate agents, and business owners with improving their sales and saving. They need little to no training from your side. 3. Costs 60% less than full-time employee. Simply put, real estate's top leaders offload tedious and mundane tasks for 60% less than the cost of a full-time employee, letting them focus on building their business and growing their revenue. 4. Diversity of services. Diversified in their services, offering help with travel arrangements, marketing support, calendar management, project research, social media, data presentations, mission-critical recurring tasks, first impressions and voicemail, C-level support, and more. 5. Highly secured and skilled business assistants at work. Tasks like travel planning, flight booking, email management, and high-level projects like managing the complete operations of small businesses like email and chat support, order processing. Logistics. Specialized services like accounting, website designing, development, and digital marketing, making them a one-stop solution for several personal and business needs. Assistants who are solution providers rather than taskmasters, 24/7 support with reliable and experienced graduates and project leads. High-end security system and NDAs signed to ensure the safety of information. 6. Proactive and backup assistant. A proactive company culture that provides systematic and well-defined feedback, development coaching, ongoing educational opportunities, and in-depth mentorship to your primary and backup virtual assistant. Before moving on to the next point, we would like to discuss how you can earn $10,000 in a month. Let's say a part of your business process is to generate marketing leads. Now what you do, first, you have to set up desk space. So, how much does it cost to rent office space? The average cost per employee per month is $2,172. Second, the cost of hiring an employee? The average cost for a hire is $4,129. Now to keep the video short, we will skip the other costs, such as training and resources that you would need to support. Third, the monthly salary of a skilled employee is somewhere between $3,000 to $4,000. Yes, you are good at math. The total comes to $10,301, i.e. just from the first month, and with zero expectations. So, with zero returns, you happily spend $10,000 plus. We say save it can be your yearly cost with guaranteed results and even less than that. Isn't it a deal or what? So join the virtuallist.com and experience the world of VA aka virtual assistants. Now moving back to our topic, why you should choose a VA company? 7. Manage high-value tasks. The ability to manage high-value tasks such as prospect development and lead generation, CRM data entry and maintenance, travel arrangements, scheduling, expense reporting, document preparation, email management, incoming and outgoing calls, and so much more. 8,100% transparency. One of the top benefits is 100% transparency. What you see is what you get. The team specializes in business services that are vital to the success of your business, including help with finances, management, and office associates. The creative team makes sure the creative side of your business is up to par by providing services from designers, artists, illustrators, writers, editors, audio technicians, and more. The technical team is made up of professionals that focus on operating systems, big data, analytics, and more. 9. Worldwide coverage and availability. Busy entrepreneurs and business owners can get, and that's why the focus on providing you with excellent virtual assistant services. Virtual Assistants works with companies across the globe and focuses on helping you more easily and affordably grow your business. So these were the 9 reasons why you should choose a virtual assistant company and delegate your task for faster, better, and accurate results at all times. From thevirtuallist.com, you can get price quotes from the industry's top leaders and choose the best suiting VA company from there. It will save you thousands of monthly and opens up the scope to earn more. Virtual assistants are experts in pricing for each varies. So what if you can analyze and understand them first before you jump to choose? The Virtual List is the same thing for you. It takes your requirements and sends it to the top VA companies. Now each company will send you their quote for the task. It helped others, it will help you too. The virtual list takes away the burden from you and makes sure that you get the best of both worlds. Here companies offer free trials and services for free as a sample too. All you need to do is review and choose. It's that simple. Leave all the hassle of doing research, reaching each of them to us. Also, our service is free to use. Companies and users. We are not biased in any way. We take no payments in whatsoever form from any of our users. No can influence thevirtuallist.com. For more insights, you can view our website thevirtuallist.com. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more pro tips and free offers from VAs.